So I'm gonna hey guys, this is what you should do in my channel. Okay? This is what you should do in it. This is what you should do in my channel. What?
Legally binding agreement, I need to be frank. This flamingo can be a bit of a burden. Get it? Burden.
This is what you should do in my channel.
Don't always kill the baby.
Yeah, it's me, Hand Puppet, and yeah, I'm here to say this is what you need to do in my channel. You need to go here.
And weird. Make sure he takes one of these
Hand Puppet.
3 minutes for his stomach issues, or he'll cough up wet feather balls.
This is what you should do. Like and subscribe. I need this much subscribers. As I said, this is how much subscribers I need. 6 days ago, 2 days ago, 1 day ago.
So we use it young,
And
cute, quiet, nice smelling,
yeah,
fluffy, but he's not.
I got more videos now.
A lot of paper
I even got this one, 0 likes, so I
train
need
Frank to be a bit
everything.
quiet, and then introduce him to my mom when she's in a really good mood. I mean,
This is gonna be one of my new full videos. My last short is gonna be in 2008, in 84.
Why are they looking at me like that?
Yeah, like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Yeah, you should like and subscribe to this also. Yeah, it's too funny to not do it.
Just got back from playing Duolingo. Now it's time to go to sleep. It's time to have dinner. Yes. It's so
I got 5 subscribers right now. I should have 800 million thousand, the most subscribed channel in the world. Because you see, I need to make a lot of money for like this Apple Vision Pro. I need to get, if you want to see a video of me getting the Apple Vision Pro, you need to help me get the subscribers. Okay? Subscribe right when you see one of those videos. Everybody do it. Not just some people. Everybody. Okay.
Hand Puppet.
I'm gonna watch some Sharky Boy. And Sharky Boy. Also, I can subscribe to my channel. You have my favorite channel. Your channel is my favorite channel. My favorite channel. Your channel is my favorite channel, Sharky Boy. Make more videos. Just make it all day so you can get a lot of subscribers. I will subscribe to your channels. I'm gonna like.
I wonder what to do today.
See?
I gotta go to the bathroom. Hey, Shark Puppet.
If you want to know what you will look like,
It's time for me to have.
No.
if you want to know what you will,
It's time for me to have a cheese break. But first,
if you want,
it's time for me to have a cheese break. But first, do. What the? I think I'm gonna go take a bath now. Wait.
Wait,
Do. It's time for me to have a cheese break.
I
But
can't
first,
do it.
if you,
I'm
I
not
gotta go to
allowed.
the bathroom. Hey, Shark. I wonder what to do today. What is this?
I don't.
I gotta go to.
if you want to,
Yeah.
It's time for me to do. What the? I think I'm gonna go take a bath now. Finally back after a long vacation. I think I'm gonna go for a walk in Times Square right now because Times Square looks way better at night. So I'm gonna go. What's up, Shark Puppet? It's me, King Kong. Let's play some Duolingo in the New York City Marquis Hotel. Because I feel like it. Now let's play.
I copied your song, Sharky Boy. See, here's the footage. See? This is my video.
Let's play some Duolingo in the New York City map.
So like, subscribe, and comment. I got 29 views. I need more.
Let's play some. Let's play. Let's.
Promise I'll come visit you at the animal rescue every day.
What a beautiful day in New York. What a.
See?
What a good.
You even have my favorite videos. Keep doing more. Actually, Sharky Boy, do face reveal. I've been commenting do face reveal before I even had a channel.
Okay, you two wait here while I finish
Okay? If you do face reveal, then I'll give you like I'll make everybody give you 100,000 subscribers because you did face reveal. If you keep being mysterious, then I can't like you subscribe because I don't know who you are. Because look, your arm is right there. See?
You like lizards?
No way! We're terrified of lizards. That's why they're living in the room.
Look at all that trim.
Okay, let me go to shorts now. I want to watch
Today
something.
you have $244.27.
We're best friends in a room. They might kiss. Yes, we will. What?
I don't want to.
Oh my God, you're so tall. You look like a giraffe. That's why you.
If I don't want to do it.
No way, just kidding. I really like Eminem.
I prefer Skittles.
No, like the rapper.
Why would you eat the wrapper?
No way, just kidding. I really like Eminem.
I prefer Skittles.
No, like the rapper.
Why would you eat the wrapper?
No way, just kidding. I really like Eminem.
I prefer Skittles.
No, like the rapper.
Why would you eat the wrapper?
But I do know this dance, huh?
This microwave will turn you into a K-pop.
Excuse me, English or Spanish?
English.
English. Where?
I've been hearing a lot of memes of that video. Also, Chucky Boy, make another video right after I'm done. Right after this video ends. Wait, what is this?
All right, honey, you ready to go to Paris? Yeah. All right, let's go. You got everything? You back up? Okay, you are. Good job. Good job. Okay, let's roll it down the windows. And all right, honey, you ready to go to Paris?
Wait, what video is this?
So I'm gonna go help.
All right, honey, you ready to go to Paris? Yeah. All right, let's go. You got everything? You back up?
The Banks family is
Okay, you are. Good job. Good job. Okay, let's roll it down the windows and have a beautiful wind and beautiful air. All right, the red light's up here, okay? It's raining. It's raining real hard. All right, we're here. We're here? Okay, let's get out. Come on. Okay, let's go. Okay. We're at Paris! 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 Alright, honey, you ready to go to Paris? Yeah! Alright, let's go.
Yes, I am taking on new.
Okay, honey, you ready to go to Hollywood? Okay, honey, you ready to go to Hollywood?
And it's all
Alright, let's go.
Frank, who really stuck his neck out for me.
Alright.
Since Shark Puppet took my Kool-Aid and drank it,
You should face reveal. You shouldn't be serious, Sharky Boy.
On Disney Channel.
Also, you have a lot of videos. You have more than me. I make like 10 videos a day. You know why? Because I want to, and I won't tell anybody.
but it works. When they got his back, we are family. It's
Okay.
the only thing bigger than our imagination is her family. All 12 of them was a coming for the whole.
Actually, Sharky Boy, help me get more subscribers too, so I can get you so you can get Apple Vision 2 Pro and get a lot of subscribers because you have my favorite channel. If you get a lot of subscribers,
Here I am.
then you can make some money, and that means Chef Pee can get you anything you want, and you won't have to yell at you. That's
Man,
actually
I'm so
too
hungry.
funny.
I know.
Actually,
I'm gonna go to the fridge and get me some cheese.
You're mad. I'm back. Big mad. He's mad. She's mad.
Man, I'm so hungry. I know. I'm gonna go to the fridge and get me some cheese.
respond to me with
Shark
this
puppet.
as a video with a YouTube short because that's more welcoming. Now, bye. I'm gonna record this video now.